Utah voters are weighing in on the 2016 presidential race Tuesday, and the state's Republican Party is conducting one of the nation's biggest online voting experiments in U.S. history, giving residents the option of using computers, tablets, and smartphones to cast ballots. So in today's WSJ Campaign Q&A, how does Utah's online voting system work? While in-person caucuses and absentee voting are available this year, Utah Republicans have the fast and convenient option of simply connecting to the internet. Voters can use their personal devices to do just that between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. Mountain Time on Tuesday. After visiting iVotingCenter.us, voters verify their identity by entering a unique PIN number that was assigned during the voter registration process. After that, they'll see boxes with information about each candidate. This instructional video shows famous politicians from America's past, but the Republican candidates on this year's ballot include Donald Trump, Senator Ted Cruz, and Governor John Kasich. Once a candidate is selected, voters confirm their decision with the click of a button. The vote is cast and a confirmation number is generated. To prevent people from voting twice, Republicans who registered to vote online will not be able to get a paper ballot at a caucus site. While some groups, like the nonprofit Verified Voting, have raised concerns about hacking and identity theft, Utah's Republican Party says the process is secure and hopes that the online option will increase voter turnout. This isn't the first time voters have cast ballots using the internet. Michigan Democrats held a similar experiment in 2004, and no major problems were reported. Utah is considered a majority-take-all contest. If a candidate wins more than 50% of the vote, he'll take all of the state's 40 delegates. If no one wins a majority, the delegates will be awarded proportionally.